Welcome to Mass Academy. Right now we are in unit number 4, chapter 4.4. You will learn here how to find HCF by division method. Very interesting and important question we have right now. Two questions we have taken from exercise 4.4, that is question number 3 and 4. They are important for exam as well. You will learn step by step how to find HCF. Remember, these both expression are in descending form because their highest power, then power 4, power 3, power 2. If you see both expression, their highest power is 4, this expression and this expression. And if you see the coefficient x power 4, 1 having coefficient, and second one is also. Now which one we are going to make dividend? One will be our divisor and second one will be our dividend. First one we made our dividend and second one we made our divisor. Actually the expression which is highest power, that will be the dividend, but right now both are having same power. We know x power 4 can catch our divisor x power 4 minus 9x square. Now one time if we go, x power 4 can catch x power 4, and if we multiply it comes 9x square minus, we have been how many times? We've been one time. So we will write here x power 4 minus 9x minus square. 9x square will be written below minus x square because they are like terms. Now we will be changing the sign. This is the rule of division. X power 4 sign is changed minus, and this one will be also plus. X power 4 got cancelled, and we know minus x cube will be written same as it is, and minus x square plus 9x square, we know here plus 3x square left. Now we see x power 3 and that divisor having x power 4, so we cannot divide it further. Our that previous divisor will be our next coming dividend. This is the rule to find division by long division method. Find HCF, sorry. So further we will see we are having a divisor that is minus x cube and plus 3x square. Now what to multiply by this minus x cube to reach plus x power 4? Of course we will multiply it by minus x, then we got x to the power plus x to the power 4 minus 3x cube. We have our quotient will be right now, that is minus x, and we are having up to x power 4, and second one we have minus 3x cube. Though we are writing below minus 9x square, but we cannot add them. Right now we change the sign. This is the rule of division. After changing the sign, x power 4 and x power 4 got cancelled. Now we know that 3x cube and x square cannot be added. We will be writing separately plus 3x cube and minus 9x square we will be writing separate. After that we can see divisor power is 3, and right now whatever left remainder, this is also having power 3 with coefficient 3. Now what to multiply by divisor to get 3x cube? So our divisor minus 3x minus x cube plus 3x square. Of course we'll multiply it by minus, if we multiply by 3 but minus 3 because it is having plus sign, then we know multiplying minus minus it comes plus. So multiplying it will be 3x power 3 and minus 3 multiplied by 3 9 x square. This product will be written, and quotient we have been minus 3 times, and after that we are writing 3x cube minus 9x square. We can see now they are exactly same, their sign are also same, power, all these things are same. After changing the sign they will be cancelled to each other. Both terms are being cancelled, only 0 left. Then the divisor by which remainder comes 0, this is our HCF. And right now if we first term, mostly if it comes in minus, then take out minus 1 from the term, make it plus. Minus 1 we took out, it comes 3 cube x cube minus 3x square. Remember, whenever you take any number from the divisor, that number will not be coming further in answer. So our answer comes HCF, that is x power 3 minus 3x square, but we can see that x square is common, then we can take out x square is a common. Remember, if you x square we took common and x minus 3 left here. This is our HCF by division method we solve. If we made our HCF minus x cube plus 3x square also we can, it is not a problem. This can be also our HCF, but right now we took out minus is a common, so this question is over. We reach now second question, that is first question, question number 3 we have done. Now question number 4. Here we also will be checking the expression, which expression has highest power. Right now also we can see both are having highest power 3, but one expression is having coefficient 2 and second one is having coefficient 1. Then that expression which has coefficient 2, that will be our dividend. It means whenever you see if their expression highest power are same, then see the coefficient. Right now coefficient, the highest coefficient will be the dividend, and second one is having coefficient 1, that will be our divisor. So we are going to make that one our divisor, y cube minus 5y square plus 5y minus 4. This will be our divisor, and 2x cube minus 2y cube minus 9y square plus 9y minus 7, that is our dividend. We will carry on this question. We will see y cube, how many times this y cube can get 2y cube. Very easy, simply multiply expression by 2. Divisor will be multiplied by 2. After multiplying divisor by 2, 2y cube came. Now 2 multiplied by minus 5, it comes minus 10y square. 2 multiplied by plus 5y plus 10y, and 2 multiplied by minus 4, it comes minus 8. And after this we know the procedure is change the sign. So we are changing the sign, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. This is the rule of changing sign. If the terms and coefficient are same, will cancel. Is first one 2y cube cancel, got cancel. Now minus 9y square plus 10y square, only 1y square left, plus 9y minus 10y minus y left, 1y also we can say, minus 7 plus 8, just plus 1 left. This is the remainder, and now we see our highest power is 2 here. That's why we are going to make the divisor our second dividend, because the divisor expression power is higher. Now we are writing the divisor as a dividend, that is y cube minus 5x y square plus 5y minus 4, and divisor we already have y square minus y plus 1. Now see how many times to multiply y square to get y cube. That is very easy. If you write divisor separately, y square minus y plus 1, and we know it is to be multiplied by y. After multiplying by y, it comes y cube minus y square plus y. So this product we will write in the division. So our quotient is y right now, y cube minus y square plus y. After that we know the rule is to change the sign. We are going to change the sign. It plus, it comes minus, it will be plus, and last one will be minus. Y square y cube got cancel. Now minus 5y square plus 1y square, it comes minus 4y square, and similarly here also plus 4y, because 5y minus y, and minus 4 we will write same. After that we know the remainder is having highest power 2, and divisor is also highest power 2. Very easy to carry it on. Now how many times or what to multiply by y square to get minus 4y square? Very easy, simply multiply by minus 4. Our next quotient is what? Minus 4. After multiplying b minus 4, we'll get minus 4y square. Minus 4 multiplied minus y, it comes plus 4y. Minus 4 multiplied by plus 1, it comes minus 1. So it is written. Now we will write minus 4y square plus 4y minus 4. Last step to change the sign. We are changing the sign. Totally 3 terms are same, only 0 left. By this divisor, y square minus y plus 1, remainder comes 0. This is why our HCF will be the last divisor, from which we got the 0 remainder. So that is y square minus y plus 1. Question is over from here.